Hey there. You wondering how to fill out an acknowledgement form? Well, here, I'm going to walk you through how to fill one out. They are simple, but make sure that you read and make sure that you understand which acknowledgement you're filling out. Like I will show you, here in Pennsylvania, we have individual capacity, we have representative capacity, and we have attorney at law, a relating oath and acknowledgement. So make sure that you're reading the wording so you know which one that you have. Now, here where it says the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, this may or may not, the state that you are in, may or may not be there when you get your acknowledgement forms. If it's not, then you will have to handwrite it in. Down here where it says county of, this is the county where you are doing the notarization. So we will say that we are in Adams. Down here where it says signed and sworn to before me on, we'll use today's date. Now, each state notarial act may be a little different on how you have to fill out the date. Some may allow you to write 12/19/2025. Other ones you may have to spell out the month. But for today, we are going to spell it out. And make sure that you use a 4-digit year. Don't write just 25. Or, well, I guess we have to use 25, don't we? That would be for your date and by the individuals making the statement. This will be whoever it is that needs to sign. Down here, you will, oops, don't need to open up another web page there. But right here, you will sign your name. Right here, we will print our name. Down here, I am a notary public, and that's what you will put in this section. And down here will be the date that your notary license expires. It should be on your stamp and your notarial certificate that you got when you got your commissioned, or when you were commissioned, sorry. But again, make sure that you're reading this whole section up here, and don't forget, you have a section over here to stamp, which this could be on your left or it could be on your right, depending on your state laws, what they allow, or how, if they have rules for that. Here in PA, sometimes it's on the left, sometimes it's on the right. So the opposite side will be always where you stamp. Doing a acknowledgement or a jurat, general notary work, is pretty simple. This may end up being a leaflet though, so if the notarial wording is not there on the paperwork that you're there to sign, you will have to attach it. Some people use staples, some people use paper clips. It is really going to depend whether or not you have to scan or fax. If you have to do either one, use a paper clip. Otherwise, you can use a stapler. Remember, this is the willing to sign the document and verify identity with these acknowledgement forms. This isn't verifying the truthfulness, though it should be telling you the truth. So just remember, identity and willingness to sign the form. Till next time, make sure you follow back. We'll be doing jurats next time.